Hi guys, Dirk. Well, today I want to show you this another beast we built. This is a 2,000 liter firefighter trailer we built for one of our aviation clients. Comes on a double axle, double brake trailer. Obviously this one's got our twin stage pump on. This is diesel. Here we've got the foam inductor. Foam inductor can set up from 1 to 6% foam induction. There we've put him a 200 liter foam tank on. On this side, we gave them 4 fire extinguishers. Obviously, guys, muddies or nothing. This is proper muddies. They've got fire beaters at the back. Here's 2 hose reels. Obviously, one of them with our 150 liter pistol nozzle. This thing is a beast. Will give you up to 30 meter spray. Jerry can. There's our brass nozzle. Then we've got the nozzle, the foaming nozzle. This nozzle sets in and out so that you can use foam to aerate. And then obviously your proper double jacket hoses. Well, guys, I think this came out freaking cool. Well, I think we're going to spray it for you. And then you can tell us what you think.